Conversation between landlord and tenant.
Good afternoon, Jake. I wanted to check in with you regarding your lease and a few maintenance concerns. Do you have some time?
Good afternoon, Mr. Brown. Yes, of course. Is everything okay?
Well, first, let's talk about the rent. Your payment was due last week, but I haven't received it yet. I wanted to remind you before charging a late fee.
Oh, I'm really sorry about that. I had an issue with my bank, and the transfer got delayed. I can send the payment right now.
I appreciate that. Please try to make payments on time. It helps me manage the property better.
Absolutely. I'll set up automatic payments to avoid this in the future.
That sounds good. Now, I also received a complaint from one of your neighbors about loud music late at night. Is there a problem?
Oh, I didn't realize it was that loud. I had a few friends over last weekend, and we played some music. I'll make sure to keep the volume down next time.
I understand. Just be mindful of your neighbors. Now, do you have any maintenance requests?
Yes, actually, the sink in the kitchen is leaking. I tried tightening the pipe, but it's still dripping.
Thanks for letting me know. I'll send a plumber over tomorrow morning. Anything else?
The heater isn't working properly. It takes too long to heat up the room.
I'll have someone check that as well.
Thank you. Also, I wanted to ask about renewing my lease. It expires next month, and I'd like to stay for another year.
I appreciate you being a responsible tenant. The rent will increase slightly due to maintenance costs. The new lease will be ready next week if you're okay with that.
I understand. Could you let me know how much the increase will be?
It will go up by $50 per month.
That seems fair. I'll review the new lease once you send it.
Perfect. I'll have it ready soon. Thanks for your cooperation, Jake.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. I appreciate your help.
No problem. Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks for watching.